We're dairy farming in Tirau, 225 hectares, predominantly milking 650 Friesian cows, flat to rolling contour, and a 54 bale rotary cow shed is what we put our cows through now. We've got pieces of equipment that range from bale buggies, just got a new model one out on one of the other farms, and the other two are separated out on other properties. The reason why we did a bit of survey on different feed-out wagons, we went with the Hustler 110. It can side delivery both sides. Did look into other brands, but found that this one was what we really required now. The tandem axles that it floats on, the drawbar system on it is excellent. The design out the back for loading it is excellent. They've got all the grease nipples in one place. It is a very strong built design, and there's a plastic along the top, so if a fronting loader does hit it, it doesn't damage it and ding it. The platform is the one that's got the sensors on it that it can't just keep pushing it up, especially on grass silage. So it's got the benefit of not damaging and not overloading the front feeder bar. And I believe that Hustler's got the best gear out for dairy farmers, sheep farmers, cattle farmers to do this bulk feeding, that they require a good machine to actually do the hard work.